What's up guys, Shane Stars here, and if you just picked up the Galaxy Fold 3, you're probably looking for the best possible screen protector for this device. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Whitestone Dome Silk Glass Screen Protector. This is going to be an installation guide and review. My suggestion to you would be to watch this video all the way through 2 or 3 times before attempting the actual procedure. Once you're attempting the procedure, maybe even have the video up in the background and you can kind of follow it step by step, but I wouldn't follow it step by step until I've watched the video completely in its entirety at least 2 or 3 times. Here I think I should also take a moment to make a disclaimer. The Galaxy Fold 3 is the most durable foldable phone that Samsung has ever created. That being said, the inner display is still very sensitive. In regards to the warranty, I've reached out to Samsung. Samsung has clarified to me that it does not void your warranty to remove the included screen protector. They don't advise that you do so because the screen protector is designed as an integral part of the screen to protect the phone. If you do decide, however, to remove the screen protector and you damage the screen in the process, the damage that you have done to your screen will not be covered under warranty, but it doesn't void the warranty to remove the screen protector. So my advice to you there would just be to be very careful when removing the screen protector. I think that's enough for the preliminaries. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the Dome Silk by Whitestone Dome for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And if we take a look at the back, you can see the ultra thin glass layer structure. It has ultra thin glass, shatter resistant layer, flexible and flexible adhesive. So this is a multi-layered version of glass for the Galaxy Fold 3. Okay, so in the box we have our jig, we have the various parts of the jig, we have our squeegee, we have all our cleaning supplies, and we have a remover pack. This is going to help us to remove the included screen protector, and then we have a little anti-slip piece, and we have our actual glass, which is in this package to keep it from shattering during shipping. So the first thing you're probably going to want to do is let's go ahead and turn off the phone. This is going to help you not to be distracted while you are working on applying the screen protector. We're then going to go ahead and remove this little card out of the remover pack. All right, and we're just going to use this to kind of get underneath that screen protector. All right, so kind of slide that under and peel it back and then grab it and then just very slowly and gently pull away. All right, so now this display should be pretty clean. You just removed the official screen protector, but we'll go ahead and just double check and make sure here. There is a little bit of adhesive left over, and we want to get all the adhesive that may have been left over from the previous screen protector. So we'll just kind of wipe this down with our included alcohol wipe. Next up, we'll hit it with our microfiber cloth to get everything good and dry. Lastly, we'll hit it with our dust sticker. Make sure you do remove any dust, because if anything gets trapped between the screen and the screen protector, you won't be able to remove it later, and it's going to just kind of make bubbles in your screen protector. So make sure that you do remove everything while you have this opportunity. Also like to take another flashlight and just kind of go around. This is going to make dust stand out to you while you look for it. So this is definitely a good tip for finding any dust specks that you may have missed. Next up, we're going to go ahead and prepare the jig with our little anti-slip mat. Just put it on the very back of the device and push it down to adhere it to the back of the jig. All right, now when we turn it over, it's not going to slip and slide on us as much as it would have ordinarily. All right, so you're gonna put your phone in with the camera in this little slot, like so. You might as well go ahead and check for any more dust. All right, so we'll continue with the jig setup here. We're gonna take this piece and put it up top. Should just fall into place, like so. And it's hard to see it here, but you can see that it's labeled top and bottom, and this should face up with it saying top and bottom. You're going to have to peel off the sticker with the adhesive. So the way that we're going to do that is we're going to just kind of grab it and peel down. You don't want to peel at a 90-degree angle, but more than a 90-degree angle here. So we'll go ahead and peel that off. We'll flip this over And we'll put the top part of the glass in the tabs first, and then the bottom tabs second. All right, next up, we're going to take the little plastic tab here and put that over the top to hold the sheet down in place. All right, and then we're going to squeegee this on. So it's very important that you go slowly. If you go too fast, you're probably going to introduce bubbles, and very important here that we go slowly. All right, so it's time for the moment of truth. We'll start from the bottom here and kind of move across very slowly. All right, and then take it back the other way. So I do have some bubbles forming here. If that is the case, we're going to take the film back up. So just kind of peel the film back up and then squeegee again. All right, you'll then turn it over to the smaller side and work on pushing those bubbles out if you have any. Then when you're finished removing all your bubbles, you're just going to remove that top film, and you are good to go. So of course everything looks just as vibrant as it did before. There's no rainbowing effect that you get from some screen protectors, and touch sensitivity as just as good as it was before installation. This feels like I'm using the phone without a screen protector, which is pretty awesome. All right, and when it comes to folding, there you go. You can fold this screen protector with zero issues, and that is Whitestone Dome's Silk Glass Screen Protector. Of course, because this has full adhesive, it's going to be compatible with most cases. This is the leather case from Samsung, and I can install it and it's not going to cause the screen protector to peel up in any way. I wanted to try a few other cases here. I've got the leather case from Elixir. We'll try it out real quick. We'll just kind of snap it in place. All right, and it also fits and it's not going to cause the screen protector to bubble up. And then lastly, I have the Thin Flex from OtterBox, and it just kind of slides on. All right, the Thin Flex seems to have more of a firm snap-on, so I guess it would be the least likely of the cases to work with this particular screen protector. But as you can see here, there are no issues with the Thin Flex from OtterBox. All right, guys, I'll be sure to include a link in the description of where you can pick up the Whitestone Dome Silk Glass Screen Protector for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks, guys, for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.